Okay, here we go.
High tops and sundress, girls all in a perfect mess. You turn every head. Sipping on a chai tea, humming something honey sweet, acting like you don't give a damn. You got a thing to do. This got me all for you. It's the way that you shine like a summer sky, and your kiss on my lips keeps me up all night. You got my head spinning, when I'm with you I'm winning, 'cause it's your world, girl, and I'm just loving it. And I'm just loving it. If I could find a cliche to set your mystery straight, then I could figure you out. The way you shake it off, like nothing's even wrong when it's all coming down. Don't stop the thing you do. You got me all for you. Yeah, it's the way that you shine like a summer sky, and your kiss on my lips keeps me up all night. You got my head spinning, when I'm with you I'm winning, 'cause it's your world, girl, and I'm just loving it. And I'm just loving it. Yeah, I love how your hair fits right on my chest. On those mornings when it seems like we're the only two left. It's the way that you shine like a summer sky, and your kiss on my lips keeps me up at night. You got my head spinning, when I'm with you I'm winning, 'cause it's your world, girl, and I'm just loving the way that you shine like a summer sky, and your kiss on my lips keeps me up at night. You got my head spinning, when I'm with you I'm winning, 'cause it's your world, girl, and I'm just loving it. And I'm just loving
Thank you. Okay, everyone, here is a short tutorial. First on the steps after the counts. Here we go. Okay, we're starting with the weight on the left. You make a heel grind forward in place with the right. Heel grind, rock set back, rock, recover. Shuffle half turn, rock, recover. Repeat the step with the left. Heel grind, rock, recover. Shuffle half turn, rock, recover. They get forward point, back point. Here we go. 7, 8. Forward point, back point, cross the ass box, cross, back, side, forward. Syncopated rock. With a quarter turn over your right shoulder. Rock, recover, side, rock, recover. Step back on the left, back, hip, shuffle and forward. Step, lock, step. Here we go. 7, 8. Heel, grind, rock, shuffle half, rock, heel, grind, rock, shuffle half, rock, forward, point, back, point, cross jazz rock, 5, cross 7, forward, forward, syncopated rocks, rock, recover, side quarter, rock, recover, step back, back, hip, step, lock, step. And we're starting over again. Here we go. Heel, grind, rock, shuffle, half, rock, heel, grind, rock, shuffle, half, rock, forward, point, back, point, cross over, quarter, side, forward. Last section, rock, recover, side, rock, recover, forward, side, hip, step, lock, step, and we're starting over again. Here we go. Heel, print, rock, shuffle, half, rock, heel, print, rock, shuffle, half, rock, forward, point, back, point, cross over, back, forward, forward, rock, recover, side, rock, recover, back, hip, push, step, lock, step. Now we do the dance over the counts. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, half, 6, 7, 8. Next section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, half, 6, 7, 8. Next section. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section. Last section. 1, 2, quarter, and rock, track, back, side, 7 and 8. One more time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, half, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, half, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here we go. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, half, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, half, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, half, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, half, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Hope you all like it. Have fun. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.